Hey guys, I am Shazam Loves, but you guys are my fans and my fans out there because you guys really are my Shazamers, aka my Shazamer out there because you guys really are true fans of mine because that means you guys are my fans, aka my fans out there. Guys, I'm doing a mod for you guys because I haven't done a mod video a while, so I'm doing one for you guys. It's a CV-22B Osprey and on replace interval interior. So let's shut this one in one of guys because after this I'm gonna edit and then I'm gonna hit the head afterwards. So So this is it. This is a CV. This is actually really nice, guys. Really nice. The texture, the graphic of this aircraft. This is amazing. So this guy here, also main view there. So over here, there. Because these are like turrets. Oh, just three turrets around. So, because protecting this. So, let's continue. Oh my god, look at that, and look at that, and hey! The pedals. Oh my gosh, the green. Bright green, oh my goodness. Sick! This is I just got a sick at night. Dang! So, over the front part here, that's right there, like that. So, let's continue. Guys, I need to be done of this video, okay? Because, like I just said, I gotta hit the head afterwards. So, this one's on landing. The pillars is like in the hover mode. So this was on the wheels that way. So I don't know what location this is at. I don't know, but let's continue. So now it's on in the air. Fire on like this way. Like that way. But like that. Oh, whoa! This is phenomenal view over here. From from this height. Wow. Let's continue, guys. So, look at that. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Woo! That's my view over there. Behind, on the side of the aircraft. Wow. So, let's continue. That's blue sky. There's a guy over here. A soldier. So, this is from the rear bottom of the aircraft. So, let's continue, guys. So, this is the interior. So there's million views there. There's one pilot and co-pilot over here, both of them. Because there's this is the pilot guy, and that's the co-pilot guy here. Blue, beautiful, blue sky with clouds, wonderful. So there's a bunch over here. There's a side over here like that. So let's continue. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, so on the top right there. Okay. So that's the good type of aircraft of this view. This is actually nice. So now it's in the hover mode. I'm doing like sound effects for the dramatic effect of this mod. If you like it, oh no guys, so there's smoking around over here. I think in the military hangar. There it goes. I remember this part. So let's continue. She's all million view. She's all millions over here. There's no view. So it's on the file. And that's it. And that's the video of this video, guys. If you like and love this video, just give me 1,078 likes of this video. Because this is actually new materials with no more inspect maps, updated cockpit, open April doors, new seat layout, new lights, update handling as well too. Also of this aircraft. So that's the futures of this one. And make sure to put the comments in the comment section below on this video as well. Please guys, make sure you click that subscribe button. Click the gray. Make sure it says gray as subscribed with the details guys, because if you do that, just actually reaching me my goal, aka my achievement up to 3,000 subs, up to plus more, up to 4,000, up to 10 million subscribers as well too. But you guys, the numbers goes higher than I, and that's who I like to see them more. But you guys know that. In 3, 2, 1. Do it. Do it right now, guys. So that is the most important thing to do. Okay, guys? Because I like to see it. Make it happen. Then make sure you select the notification bell. Select all. Click all on. Make sure something like this on the both sides. That means for you guys. For stay tuned for more awesome animation, fun, creative videos for you guys to enjoy to watch. I'm just in vlogs, but guys, make sure you also right now. I'm just in vlogs. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. But I'm just in vlogs. Peace out.